I'm NASA Kennedy's Meredith Reeves with Exploration Research and Technology Programs, and I'm outside KSC taking you inside KSC.
Technicians from the Exploration Ground Systems and supporting contractors tested prototypes of a new rainbird system to be used for the Artemis II mission. Teams ran various water pressures through small-scale 3D printed sprayers to capture data to use in developing full-scale nozzles. These giant rainbirds will spray a high volume of water on the mobile launcher to combat the intense heat generated during the launch of NASA's Space Launch System, or SLS, the most powerful rocket the agency has ever built. The SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft will lift off from Kennedy's Launch Pad 39B. Under the Artemis program, NASA will land the first woman and the next man on the moon and prepare for human missions to Mars. Engineers and scientists at Kennedy participated in a joint simulation involving a tool developed at the Florida Spaceport, the Mass Spectrometer Observing Lunar Operations, or MSolo. The team connected remotely to Astrobotic systems in Pennsylvania to develop and refine procedures between that simulated MSolo and a Peregrine lander working together on the moon. Peregrine Mission 1 will carry 11 payloads to a large crater on the near side of the moon. Astrobotic is the provider for this Commercial Lunar Payload Services, or CLPS, mission, which is working toward launch later this year. NASA will use MSolo to identify molecules on the surface of the moon as part of the Artemis program.
For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.